यया विना जगत्सर्वं मूकमुन्मत्तवत्सदा या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री तस्यै नमो नमः। Chartva Sandhi. The Chartva Sandhi operates when the Purva is again 1, 2, 3, 4, just like the Jashtva Sandhi was. Jashtva Sandhi also 1, 2, 3, 4. However, the Para is exclusively the Khar. What is Khar? Khar is all the Karkasha Vyanjanani. 1, 2 Sheshas are the Khar. 1, 2, the first and the second column, like Kha, Cha, Cha, Ta, Tha, Ta, Tha, Pa, Pha, and then Sha, Sha, Sa, Sha, Sha, Sa. All of these come under the Khar. So the Para can be any one of the Karkasha Vyanjana, and Purva can be any one of the 1, 2, 3, 4 Vargiya Vyanjana. Then what is the Parinama? The Parinama is that the 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it be, the Purva, it changes to its corresponding first letter, first column's element. Let us see that. Trishtubh and Chandas. Cha is the Para. Is it a Karkasha Vyanjana? Yes. It falls under 1, 2 Sheshas. It is the second letter, so it is the Karkasha Vyanjana. Then is the Purva Vargiya Vyanjana 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes, it is. So then what do you change it to? Parinama is change the Bha to its, now which row does Bha belong to? The Pu. Pa, Bha, 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 Ma. What is the first letter of that row? Pa. So change the Bha to Pa. Trishtub Chandas. Trishtub Chandas. Similarly, you have Ritvij. Shiras. Sha is Karkasha again. Change the Ja to its first letter. Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya. Cha is the first letter. It becomes Ritvich Shiras. Ritvich Shiras. Now let me tell you, this Ritvich, when it forms along with Shiras, comes under the domain of another Sandhi called the Chatva Sandhi. Now this was Chartva, that is Chatva Sandhi. There again, it undergoes a certain modification. So this is not the final result, but this is the result of the reaction where Chartva Sandhi is involved. Then Namat and Tamo. Namat and Tamo. Ta is the Karkasha Vyanjana. Okay. Ta belongs to again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. So what is the first letter of Ta? Which row does Ta belong to? The fourth one. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Tu. What is the first letter? Ta. So it changes. You can say it has changed to the first letter, but since it was already Ta itself, it remains as it is. It becomes Namattamo. Namattamo. Takara ke takara. Ta with Ta. It becomes the double Ta. Samyukta akshara. Namattamo. Then Viruddh Shanmukhaha. Viruddh Shanmukhaha. Sha again Karkasha Vyanjana because it comes under Sheshas. 1, 2 Sheshas, yes. Then this is the Vargaya Vyanjana. Okay. Changes to its first letter. What is the first letter of Dha? Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. First letter is Ta. Virut Shanmukhaha. Virut, Rut, not Dha. Ta. Virut Shanmukhaha. Unlike the Jashtva Sandhi, the Para cannot be a Swara. The possibility of having a Swara and still operating the Jashtva Sandhi was over with the Jashtva Sandhi. But however, if the Para is a Swara, then Chartva does not apply. It becomes the Jashtva Sandhi. Examples. Udaharanani. Vad Shiraha. Again, Sha is Karkasha Vyanjana. Change the Da to the first letter. What is the first letter? Ta. Vat Shiraha. Vat Shiraha. Then Parivrad Cha. Again, Cha is Karkasha Vyanjana. Change this letter to its first Savarna, which is Ta. Parivrat Cha. Parivrat Cha. Then Urj Su. Now what is the Purva here? This is quite tricky. What is the purva here? Tell me. Urj. So what is the last letter here? Urj. J. Yes, it is J. It is not the Ra. It is Urj. If it was Ra, would this rule apply? If the purva was Ra, now here the purva akshara is Ja. Okay, there's no confusion about that. If the purva was Ra, would Chartva Sandhi apply? This is the hint. No, because the purva demands only the 1, 2, 3, 4 Vargiya Vyanjana. Ra is not a Vargiya Vyanjana. So the Chartva Sandhi would not apply. Regardless, in this case we have Ja, Urj and Su. Su is Sa is Karkasha Vyanjana again. Okay, so apply, do the Chartva Sandhi. Ja changes to Cha. Ja changes to Cha. Because Cha is the first letter. You see here, you have to change it to the first. No, this is not 9. This is the Samskrita literal numeral 1 here. Okay, this is the first letter of the same row. Ja belongs to the second row, Chu. The first letter of that is Cha. Urch, Shu, Urch, Su, Urch, Su. Again, this is not the final product. It undergoes some more modifications, like the Ku Bhava. It becomes Urk, and then Shatva Sandhi happens. I mean, Shatvam happens, and then it becomes Shu. So finally it becomes Urk Shu. But that is not the result of Chartva Sandhi. The Chartva Sandhi results just, it stops here. It changes the Ja to Cha, and it keeps quiet. Then Vanig Topaha. Vanig Topaha. Ta again, Karkasha Vyanjana. This is the Vargiya Vyanjana. Okay, change it to the first letter Ka. Vanik Topaha. Quickly. Ta is Karkasha Vyanjana. Purva is a Vargiya Vyanjana 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now the emphasis that it should be a Vargiya Vyanjana 1, 2, 3, 4 is repeatedly done, because it can't be the fifth one, which is the Anunasika. It can't end with Na here, because it takes us to the other family of sandhis like the Parasavarna, Purasavarna, Anuswara, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the specification for the Purva. Asmad Tejaha. The changes to its first letter, which is Ta. Asmat Tejaha. Then Stabh Tatha. Ta again Karkasha Vyanjana. Bha changes to its first letter, which is Pa. Stab Tatha. Stab Tatha. Alright. Here again I am repeating. The Para cannot be a Swara. The Para cannot be a Swara. It is specifically the Khar or the Karkasha Vyanjanani. Alright. Why is it called the Chartvam? That seems a valid question, because Char, what is Char? It is the first letter, the first column, and Shasha Sa. Alright. Shasha Sa and the first column. Since it contains the first column, we use the Parinama is the Char, or the Char letters. So we say Chartvam. Like the Jashtvam, the third column was represented by the Pratyahara Jash. We call it the Jashtva Sandhi. Similarly here we have the first column, so that comes under Char, so it is called the Chartva Sandhi. Next class is Chutva. Dhanyavadaha.